We here at Nature's Answer are proud to be flagship sponsors of the American Cancer Society's Making Strides Against Breast Cancer of Long Island. Many of us have firsthand experience dealing with this awful disease, and we're committed to making a difference.
Hi, I'm Kathy from Nature's Answer, and I'll be making strides for all my sisters in spirit who fearlessly battle this terrible disease.
My name's Emily from Nature's Answer, and I'm making strides for my mom.
Hi, my name is Todd from Nature's Answer, and I'm making strides for my community.
My name is Ginger from Nature's Answer, and I'm making strides for my sister.
Hi, I'm Lauren from Nature's Answer, and I'm making strides for my best friend who was diagnosed with breast cancer last year.